Today we're going to be playing some Fall Guys. If you've never heard of it, it's basically an obstacle course, kind of like Squid Games, where if you lose, you die. There's 5 rounds, and you have to get all the way to the end. It's kind of like Fortnite and Squid Games, but it's an obstacle course, and it's really fun, and I'm the best player of all time in Fall Guys. So I'll try to lose some on purpose, but, you know, it's tough to lose when you're the best, so I'll be nice. Let's jump in. All right. Oh, dude. Always the middle. Fuck. Not always the middle. What? No! Oh my god, I'm gonna lose. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh my god, we're gonna win. Go, baby. Come on, top 10, top 20%. Dude, get off of me. I'm the greatest alive. Oh my god. I'm not the greatest alive. Yes. Okay. I suck at this one. I've only qualified every single time. Oh my god. 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 Move! Get off of me. Dude, this guy's grabbing me. Dude, I'm on my own. I could actually win this. Oh. Okay, well. Dude, I can't dive. I messed up my controls. I literally can't dive. There's no way I win. How do you win this game without diving? Just focus. I'm so nervous. Oh my god, I'm literally so nervous. I've never won this. I've never won this one. Yes! Oh my god! No, it wasn't working. Dude, I've never won that. Dude, this is first try. Dude, I'm literally 1 for 1. That's sick. That's the key, to never dive. You just never dive. Dude, my heart was pounding. My heart was pounding. All right, let's confirm the dive works. Okay, the dive works. We're good. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, first place, bro. Dude, get up. First place. Oh my god, am I gonna fall off right away? Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, we're gaming. Dude, that was so lucky. Strong vibration. Whoa, there's an axe in the middle of this? There's an axe in the middle. This is crazy. This is insane. Oh my god, I'm so nervous right now. I think I need to go the other side. Oh my, yes! I love how they always add that. Always add something new. That was funny. Oh! Ooh! Practice makes perfect. No, no, no. No, no. I'm gonna win. Shut up. Focus. No! Dude, I want a hot dog costume. Dude, get out of the way. Why is no one running? Oh, speed running. Strats. 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 You see that? That's called first place. Called in the lead. It's called in the lead. Called in the lead. No. We're still in the lead. Called winning. called I'm the best. It's called easy money. It's called literally this is the easiest game alive. How does anyone lose? Literally speedrunning Fall Guys. Literally speedrunning Fall Guys. That could be the caption of this. Oh, please, for the love of God, let me win. Dude, I'm just dirty at jumping. Okay. Where do I go here? Go there. Okay. And we go... okay, they're gonna... Oh my God. Oh my God, it's already... What is going on? I can't see a thing. Where am I? Dude, that was literally an 8-second game. That game was 8 seconds. Oh, I think I'm the highest person right now. That's good. Dude, where are these people? There's no way I lose. There's no way. Oh, that's... No way. No way, dude. No way. Are you serious? I choked so bad. I choked so badly. Do I have enough time to run in the bathroom? Probably. First place again? Get out of the way, Fox. Mansoor Fox. Literally the best. We're gonna get it first. No. Dude, that did not hit me. Alright, I'll take it. Oh, shoot. Oh my God, that was scary. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Why is this one so shit? I'm so far back. Oh my God. Okay, it's fine. We're gonna qual. Don't worry about it. Just focus. All right, there we go. Good to go. I think that was just an achievement. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I'm an idiot. Yup. Do we full send? No, I can't do it. I know I can't do it. Whoa. What? Don't dare grab me. Don't grab me. Don't grab me. Yep. The end? Yep. Okay, we're good. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, that was close. Wait, can I actually do this down the middle? Can I actually do this? No. Damn it, dude. I almost got second. Oh my God. Dude, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, well, I should have gone on the other one. No. Come on. I didn't jump. I forgot. See you guys.